Hello friends, welcome to my creative, well-known and popular unique educational channel to watch more creative videos on VGGFace2 model. As we have gone through many videos on VGGFace2 model such as face detection, recognition, face recognition using VGGFace2 model and MTCNN, face verification, face match, celebrity recognition and many more. Today's video is really interesting and innovative and creative, so please watch till the end. In today's video I will be doing face detection from photograph and face verification from photograph using VGGFace2 model and MTCNN. So we'll go through the initial state of the program. I will be creating pickle file here. Now in database no pickle file is created. First of all, we will detect the face using photograph. So I will show you the program. VIM add. This is, so you can see here the code is of only few lines, but still face is detected. That is the speciality of VGGFace2 model. So I will execute the program. Yes. Now pickle file will be created after execution of this program. Yes. It is written here. It is written here added mal to the database. Now I will show you. Yes, pickle file is created. Previously it was not there. So I explained in lot in my videos, in my previous videos, what is the concept of pickle file. Now we will recognize the face. We have detected the face, but now we will recognize the face. Python 3. Yes, face has been recognized. Yes, fine. Face has been recognized. Yes. So I successfully done with face detection and face recognition. I can tell you this code is really short as compared to face recognition. We can see here. So this is the speciality of VGGFace2 model. So few lines of code recognizes the person from the image. So detection is done and recognition is done. Now I will delete the pickle file. I will delete the pickle file. Python 3. Yes. Removed mal from the database. So I successfully done with face detection and recognition using VGGFace2 model and MTCNN. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, share with your friends. I have taken more efforts to do this video. So I will be back with more and more creative video on TensorFlow, then Keras, then MTCNN, then VGGFace2, then deepface, fear, and many CNN model and many more models. So for latest update about machine learning, keep watching my videos on my channel on youtube.com. Thanks for watching.